Hello guys, ako si Isaac Flores. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-record ng guitar tracks, paano program ng drums, how I write backing tracks, songs, and mixing. So, let's go. So, first, nag-record ako ng guitar riff na metalcore, you know. So, ang ginawa ko rito is pan siya, left, 50% left and 50% right. Para kumbaga, may stereo effect yung ano. And hindi lang yon, nag-record ako ng 4 na versions ng track. So, yung una is yung main tracks, which is yung mas malakas. And then yung pangalawang layer is yung tinatawag nating supporting tracks. Itong technique na to tinatawag na quad tracking o kaya multi-tracking. And then, nag-record din ako ng bass track, which is ito. So, isang buo yan, isang buong take, and then in-EQ ko lang, and then may virtual amp. So, yun. And then, naggumawa na rin ako ng drum, MIDI, and track. So, ginawa ko dito is pinogram ko siya ng mano-mano. Ayan. Pindot-pindot here, tapos may mga velocities, ginagalaw ko lagi. Para maging realistic yung tunog niya. Hindi magtunog kumbaga robot. And I guess, that's it. Yun yung mga tracks ng song na ito. Okay, so for this demo, gagamitin natin ang Laxar's headless guitar from Fermata Musical Instrument Shop. So, gagawin natin is tutugtog tayo ng playthrough ng song na ito. Let's do it. So maraming salamat pala, Zurge Productions. Dito lang yan sa Norzagaray, Bulacan. Sinong gusto magpagawa ng music video, mga kumbaga vlogs and mixing and all that good stuff, dito lang kayo sa Zurge Productions or ZRJ Productions. For more information, contact lang kayo kay Sir RJ Lawrence.